Designing geometrically complex components and finding solutions for specialized functions. Isn't it fascinating? Just imagine combining entire assemblies into a single part. The exciting thing about 3D printing is, if you can design it in the software, you can produce it. The exhibitors at Formnext demonstrate such groundbreaking feats. It's becoming faster, its process stability is improving, and process chains are becoming more automated. The era of design freedom and innovation has now arrived in industrial production.